Leave better at University Village, Tallahassee's smarter choice. These furnish 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-bedroom, 2-bath and 4-bed, 2-bath apartments offer essentials like a full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, electric oven, range and garbage disposal. Yes, it's all there. Wait, there's more. With its sofa, side chairs, coffee table, study space, dresser and cosy bed, this space is designed to feel like home. Fire up the grill for some barbecue while you chill at the pool or on the sun deck. Want to start hitting the gym? There's a state-of-the-art fitness centre for quick cardio workouts or killer strength training. Crush your study sessions with reliable internet, on-site iMacs and PCs, and enjoy free printing while you're at it. Want to know something super cool? There's a car wash station for your precious wheels to delight in, and of course, a dedicated parking space even for your bikes. Feel safer than ever with 24-hour on-call staff, management, maintenance and courtesy patrol assistance. Your peace of mind is top priority. You're only minutes away from Florida State University and Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University. With bus stops like W. Call Street and Chapel Drive or the nearby train station, the city is seamless to explore. Ready to live in comfort, convenience and community? Visit amberstudent.com for your stay at University Village.